Okay, in this video, I'm going to be talking about getting your phone connected to the Bluetooth that is attached to the Magic Box 2.0. So if you're using the Magic Box 2.0 for CarPlay, you don't need to worry about really connecting additionally. If you get a call or a text, it'll show up on your screen. But let's say you're in the Magic Box Home and you're streaming, or you're just in this section of the Magic Box. One thing that'll happen is if you're getting a phone call, it won't ring through your factory car screen unless you are connected to the Bluetooth on here. So you'll just connect, like it's not connected right now. You'll click that and get connected through Bluetooth. You'll just connect your phone to the Magic Box. There'll be a Magic Box dash and then a number. Just make sure you're connected there on Bluetooth. If your phone is still connected to your factory screen, if you back out all the way, let's go all the way to your original car, like your factory car screen. Let's say your phone's connected here, Bluetooth, and you get a call while you're within the Magic Box. It'll show up a little bit differently. Sometimes sound could be distorted. It's not a great user experience because you'll lose Wi-Fi connection, some of that stuff. So always recommend just going into settings within the Magic Box. If you're using a Wi-Fi like mobile hotspot and you click Bluetooth, it'll automatically pair you. In this way, now I can just go into phone and I can make a call and we'll be all good. I can't do it right now because it'll kill the video, but that's how you're gonna get connected to Bluetooth here. So yeah, super easy to get your phone connected to Bluetooth. If you're already using the mobile hotspot, it's a no-brainer. Just click Bluetooth. You'll see it down here. We've got all three of these icons now. Right there, we've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS positioning. So we're all good. Catch you guys in the next one.